How to enable battery percentage on iPhone X, iOS 16. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Now, turn on the toggle next to Battery Percentage. Once enabled, you'll see the battery percentage displayed inside the battery icon in the top right corner of your screen. If you don't see the battery percentage option, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 16.1 or later. Earlier versions of iOS 16 did not support the battery percentage indicator on the iPhone X. You can also check your battery percentage at any time by opening Control Center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and the battery percentage will appear next to the battery icon. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the battery percentage on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.